Pero Paul, naalala ko lamang, your family got involved dito sa cryptocurrency scam ba yun? Maikli lamang. Anong natutunan nyo doon?
Siguro po forgiveness, unang-una. Kasi hindi lang po siya basta business partner namin, kundi may talaga true relationship, barkada relationship po talaga doon sa other party. Which is medyo yun yung mahirap sa
kung sino ang nagpa-invest sa inyo?
Po.
Okay, and then?
Actually, 3 years na po talaga nag-i-invest kami, nila Mikey, ng friends, family, dahil nga po talagang katiwala na namin yun. Which is kabarkada namin talaga. So siguro yung una namin natutunan is forgiveness, and pangalawa yung discernment siguro muna po.
Ganda. Ano ang mga nasira?
Of course, yung relationship po, yung pagiging barkada sa isa't isa, dahil nga ongoing pa rin po yung case namin ngayon. Pangalawa, yung I don't know,
I just want to say this.
Trust.
I just want to say this. Yung parati mong sinasabi na forgiveness, you can forgive, pero you can also seek for justice.
Yeah, opo.
Diba? I mean, hindi naman conflict yun sa isa't. Ang trust na wala, pagiging magkaibigan. Ano yun? In those 3 years, invest lang kayo ng invest, walang bumabalik?
Meron po, actually. Then, nakuha na po yung trust namin. Then this time around, yung nangyari na yung scam.
So palaki ng palaki investment mo dahil patuloy na nagtitiwala. Ako naman, ang natututunan ko sa mga kwentong ganyan, kasi po, there are about 11 stories on the net, binilang ho namin, where I supposedly interviewed high-profile people. Isa na dyan si former President Macapagal Arroyo. Ngayon ang umiikot ng marami, that I am interviewing Senator Raffy Tulfo. Fake po yan, hindi po totoo yan, na kami daw ay nag-uusap tungkol sa cryptocurrency, at that the banks got mad with us dahil sa sobrang kinita, and we're not supposed to talk about it. Huwag po kayong maniniwala. I had a conversation with Mon Tulfo one time, some months ago, calling me kung ano ba ito, totoo ba ito? Hindi. That never happened. I did an interview with Senator Tulfo, but it was before the elections. So wag po kayong maniniwala. Be very, very careful. Pag sinasabi pong ang taas-taas ng yield, yung gana, di ba, magduda ka na.
Yeah, opo.
Anything that's good.
That discernment talaga dito, boy.
That's what you meant by discernment. Kailangan pag-usapan talaga. Kasi nakaka-excite, sa totoo lang, di ba? So nung unang magpa-fast talk, Paul, let's do fast talk.
Game?
Game! Shining inheritance.
First time to dito, boy. First time? Kasi si Mikey yung last, nung kami, si Mikey lang.
That's true. Oo. Okay. Paul, Salas Kusina.
Salas.
Child star, leading man.
Leading man.
Hunk, heartthrob.
Heartthrob na.
Cute, hot.
Cute.
Abs, chest.
Abs.
Kaldag, karga.
Kaldag.
Pakita mo nga.
Hap.
Okay. Sayaw o sigaw?
Sigaw.
Sigaw nga.
Ha!
Papawis, papunas.
Papawis.
K-drama, K-pop.
K-pop.
Mas baliw sa K-pop, ikaw o si Mikey?
Mikey.
Namano mo kay Uncle Ding Dong?
Acting siguro.
Namano mo kay Daddy Jim?
Dancing.
Ikaw o si Daddy, mas magaling sumayaw?
Sige na, Dad. Ikaw na.
Ikaw o si Dad, mas habulin?
Ako.
Ikaw o si Dad, mas iyakin?
Ako.
Ikaw o si Dad, mas maraming pera?
Ako. Si Daddy.
Guilty or not guilty? Nabasted ng artista?
Guilty, Tito Boy.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsabay na girls noon?
Uy. Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na fall sa co-star?
Guilty.
Sa co-star?
Tito Boy, puro guilty yata yan.
Guilty or not guilty? Napaaway sa bar?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagsinungaling kay Mikey?
Before guilty.
Kailan ka huling nagsinungaling kay Mikey?
2 years ago.
Lights on or lights off?
Dim.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Night time ako.
Complete the sentence. Paul, proud ako sa'yo. You're talking to yourself dahil...
I'm walking with Christ right now.
Oh...